What's up, everyone? If you don't know me, I'm Harry Swales. I run a digital ad agency and I've been in the digital marketing game for about 4 or 5 years now. And recently I've gotten super into NFTs and crypto. I definitely want to say I'm by no means an expert in NFTs or crypto. I'm still learning a ton, but I do want to share what I'm learning through these videos with you guys. So none of the stuff I say is financial advice. Definitely do your own research on all of this. And I kind of just want an outlet to talk about all the new cool projects that I keep finding, that I'm working on, stuff like that. So in this video, I'm going to hop in and show you 4 NFT projects on Solana that I think could be huge. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to just jump right into it. I've got this short list here of 4 different projects that I think could be huge. One of them is already out. The other 3 are minting soon. So let's just jump right into the first one. So this first one is called Hood Rats. Honestly, the artwork isn't anything crazy. It's pixelated animals with some like city backgrounds. Nothing super crazy, nothing super unique. But what stood out to me a ton about this project is it's a cross-chain project, which I've actually never seen before. So normally you have a project either on Ethereum or Solana or AVAX or some other chain or some individual chain. But this project has a cross-chain NFT marketplace. So the team built their own marketplace. It's not on some third-party NFT marketplace. And they say their marketplace is going to support Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, which is actually crazy. Again, I want to emphasize you need to do your own research about all these projects. I don't know anyone on the team. I haven't done a background check or anything like that. So it is up to you. But my goal is just to bring some unique projects to you that you can then go research on your own and decide if it's something you want to be involved with. A lot of the stuff they have in their roadmap is pretty standard these days. Start off with a bunch of marketing, pre-sale and whitelist, public sale. They're going to have their unique marketplace released. They're going to start a DAO, which is pretty cool. And then they're launching DeFi staking tools, which is dope. And then through January, they're just going to continue to do more marketing, start nonprofit donations, open a merchandise store. So pretty standard stuff, but really cool stuff for sure. Definitely would look into this project. They have a pretty good following on Twitter, considering they joined Twitter like last month. It's kind of crazy that they've been able to grow this quick. The engagement's not crazy, but it's decent. As you can see, a lot of their tweets aren't getting that many likes, but they do have some that have blown up. So honestly, not the best sign with the engagement, but I do think it's such a unique project that if the right people find out about it, this could be huge. The next one I want to get into is Crypto Car Society. So it's right over here. I'm personally super into cars, so I thought this project was dope when I saw it. Their artwork is awesome in my opinion. This literally looks exactly like my car, black M4. I really mess with the backgrounds. I mess with the cars. It's really cool. And they just have a great following and seem like they have a lot of people that are really excited about the project. As you can see here on Twitter, over 8,000 followers, and they have better engagement. You see these tweets getting hundreds of likes. I think a lot of these are giveaways, so obviously they're going to get good engagement. But regardless, it's a good sign. They're also putting royalties from secondary sales back into a community wallet, which is dope. They're going to give away a real car, which I think is sick. And their goal is to be able to bring these cars into the metaverse, drivable crypto cars in the metaverse by Q3 of next year, which would be super sick. They have a utility token coming. Obviously, all these roadmaps that you see are like subject to change. You never know what they're really going to pull through on. Again, that's why it's important to do your research, find out who's really on this team and whether you believe it or trust it or whatever. But they do have a lot of hype around them. The artwork is really cool in my opinion. They have a good roadmap. And I think the car community is so passionate about things that, again, if this gets to the right people, it'll take off. Number 3 is actually a project that I am involved with. I'm on the team. It's called Internet Kids. I have another co-founder that helped me build this, and we have a dev team and some guys behind us. But our goal really is to be able to bring online entrepreneurs and people that are interested in not necessarily following the traditional path together We can all help each other grow businesses, make cool content. And it's basically for like this generation of kids that have decided to do their own thing on the internet rather than following traditional routes. We had a super dope artist make our artwork. As you can see, crypto eyes like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. And our goal behind this is to have a ton of utility behind the project. It's really not a project for the artwork or for the profile picture. The NFT really just serves as access to the community and all the different things that come with it. So behind it, originally, we were going to start a clothing line. So every NFT you mint gives you access to get one of our clothing pieces. We're going to hold events in person. Our first one will be in Miami in early 2022, where you can come learn about online business, learn about crypto and NFTs, and just grow your network with a lot of really cool people doing really dope things online. We have exclusive podcast episodes, a private Discord channel, and we're doing a bunch of giveaways and airdrops. And then the last part is a thing called the game, which is basically going to be like a cryptic, solvable puzzle game where we're going to drop hints. You have to like figure everything out, decode it. And the winners are going to win things like Solana, one of one NFTs. And eventually our goal is to give away a car to the main winner. We also are going to be donating 10% of all the profit to charity. We have a community wallet set up to give back to everyone that holds NFTs. And we're doing a tiered drop. So the first drop will be 200. The second drop will be 500, then 1,000. And we're just going to work our way up. That way we make sure the community quality stays super high. It's not just a cash grab. The team is doxed. So it's something I'm super excited about. We've got some guys that are going to be promoting it soon, so I'm sure it's going to grow quite a bit. But if you're interested in that, definitely check out our website, Twitter, Discord. Everything's on the website, so definitely join the Discord, pop in there, say what's up to me. And now let's talk about the last project. This fourth and last project is Soul Gods. So on Twitter, someone was recently talking about this, and honestly, it is actually pretty similar to the Internet Kids project. They've got really unique artwork, as you can see. It's already launched, so it is active and live, but you can pick them up on Magic Eden for around 2 Soul floor price right now, which is not bad at all. To be honest, since it's been out for a while, you never know. Like, usually ones that have been out for a while don't take off like crazy, but I think there's a ton of potential behind this. I've heard people say amazing things about the team. And they have similar stuff to our project. They have a really cryptic, cool game that you can solve and win prizes. I think they're making merchandise as well. And I've just heard other people say their long-term vision and this team's goals and stuff is super dope. And they're super committed to making this project huge. So definitely something to check out. To be honest, out of these 4, I think it probably has the least potential to grow, just because it's already minted, it's been around for a while, and it hasn't done anything crazy. So I would definitely check out the first 3 first. They definitely all have really unique aspects. If you're looking for something with like new technology, that cross-chain marketplace, check out Hood Rats. If you're into cars like me, Crypto Car Society seems to have a good amount of hype behind it, cool artwork. If you want to just be part of a community, get dope clothing, and meet other people doing really cool stuff online and in the business space, definitely join Internet Kids. And then Soul Gods, take a look at their roadmap. I would definitely check out their website because they do have some really cool stuff going on. And I've heard, you can't take my word for it, but I've heard from other people that the team is super committed to growing the project and they've got cool initiatives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be talking a ton more about NFTs and stuff on this channel. I'm trying to put out a video a day, which is going to be tough, but I'm going to do my best. So if you want to learn more about NFTs, definitely subscribe. I highly recommend you at least jump in the free Discord for Internet Kids. We're dropping game on online business, on crypto, NFTs, stuff like that all the time. It's a cool community. The Discord will be down in the description. So definitely join that, and I will see you in the next video.